Abeer. The Abeer WD8 Window Vacuum Robot Cleaner is a cutting-edge solution for effortless and efficient glass cleaning. Equipped with dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, it atomizes water in 3 directions, ensuring deep and thorough stain removal while reducing manual effort. Its SLAM4 system intelligently plans cleaning routes in real time, detecting edges and adjusting within 0.3 seconds for full coverage. The 3000 Pascal suction power firmly secures the robot on windows, while the German brushless motor ensures durability and low noise. Its smart memory function allows it to return to its starting position after completion, making retrieval easy. The laser sensor upgrade enhances edge detection and prevents falls, making it safe for frameless windows. With a 62mm ultra-thin design, it reaches corners effortlessly, ensuring a pristine finish. The safety features, including a 4M safety rope and a 650 mAh backup battery, protect against power failures. Additionally, the high-quality microfiber cleaning pad enhances water absorption and dust removal. Voice assistance provides real-time guidance, and Bluetooth connectivity via the Tuya Smart and Smart Life apps ensures seamless remote control. Suitable for glass, mirrors, tiles, and smooth surfaces, the Abeer WD8 is a must-have for modern homes, offering convenience, efficiency, and smart automation in window cleaning. Chovery. The Chovery Robot Vacuum Cleaner Window Cleaning Robot is a highly efficient and intelligent electric glass cleaner designed to simplify window maintenance. Equipped with an advanced MEMS detection system, it features a highly sensitive bezel sensor that enables automatic obstacle avoidance and seamless operation on both framed and frameless windows. This ensures optimal adaptability for large and small glass surfaces. The device has passed CE, FCC, and RoHS quality certifications, guaranteeing high standards of performance and safety. It includes a CCC, CE, FCC, UL, and RoHS certified power supply, reinforcing its reliability. The package contains a robot host, power cord with adapter, remote control, 2 pairs of cleaning rings, a 4-meter extension, a safety rope, 10 cleaning cloths, a manual, and an after-sales warranty card for complete user satisfaction. For best results, allow 20 seconds for calibration after startup, bind the safety rope to prevent falls, and lightly spray water on the cleaning mop to enhance cleaning effectiveness. Customer support is readily available, offering operation videos and assistance if needed. For faster shipping, customers can opt for warehouses in Russia and Spain. However, international buyers should be aware of possible customs fees and taxes when selecting specific shipping methods. The Chovery Window Cleaning Robot is an excellent choice for those seeking an intelligent, safe, and hassle-free glass cleaning experience. aliexpress. The aliexpress YW509 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed to deliver a spotless, hassle-free window cleaning experience. Featuring a dual water spray system, it efficiently sprays water in 3 directions, left, right, and down, dissolving stubborn stains for a thorough clean. Its laser sensor navigation ensures precise movement, avoiding obstacles and reaching hard-to-clean areas. With compatibility for framed and frameless glass, it adapts to various surfaces, including mirrors, tile walls, and bathroom glass. The anti-slip driving wheel ensures smooth and stable operation, while its large 90 ml dual water tanks provide consistent water flow, covering up to 35 square meters per refill. The intelligent steady climbing system and floating cleaning pad plate ensure stable adhesion and smooth wet mopping. With upgraded 2 intelligent path planning, it systematically follows N, Z, and N plus Z routes, minimizing missed spots and maximizing efficiency. Once cleaning is completed, it automatically returns to its starting position for easy retrieval. Powered by a 3000 Pascal suction motor, it provides strong adhesion with minimal noise, thanks to its brushless motor. The patented multi-layer cleaning pad enhances dust removal and decontamination. Additional features like gyroscopic and mechanical sensors, UPS power-off protection, and a 6.2 Ah power cord make it a versatile and reliable home cleaning device. Robotic. The Robotic Smart Glass Cleaner Robot is an advanced and efficient solution for hassle-free window cleaning. Featuring rimless detection technology, it intelligently detects air pressure changes at the edge of the glass, preventing falls and ensuring safe operation on framed and frameless windows. Its slender and dense fiber cloth works in 2 stages, first wiping off dust with the high-speed motor's pressure, then trapping it under the thick cloth for a thorough clean. This automatic window cleaning robot is designed with intelligent path planning, allowing it to scan the glass, detect edges, and cover the entire surface without missing spots. Once cleaning is complete, it automatically stops moving, making it easy to retrieve. The one-touch operation ensures a seamless experience. Simply press the silver button on the device or the clean button on the remote control, and the robot efficiently cleans the entire window without further intervention. Whether for large glass surfaces, mirrors, or framed and frameless windows, the Robotic glass cleaner robot offers an effortless, hands-free solution for maintaining spotless windows with precision and ease. aliexpress. The aliexpress robot window cleaner is a smart and efficient home appliance designed for effortless window and wall cleaning. With its square shape, it ensures maximum coverage of up to 99% of the glass surface, making it ideal for high-rise windows, framed glass, smooth floors, and even marble or ceramic walls. Its ultra-thin design, 248 by 248 by 65 mm, allows it to clean even anti-theft windows, reaching tricky spots with ease. Operating the aliexpress window robot is simple, with 3 control options: one-touch key, remote control, or AI smart cleaning modes. It follows intelligent cleaning patterns such as Z, N, or Z to N, efficiently covering the entire surface. The dual water spray system adapts to different modes. N mode sprays water on the lower side, while Z mode sprays on both sides, providing deep and effective cleaning. For enhanced safety, the multi-level protection system includes anti-fall sensors, a strong 4.5-meter safety rope, and a built-in UPS battery that ensures the robot remains attached to the window for 20 to 30 minutes in case of power failure while sending an alarm notification. The soft, specially designed fabric cloth ensures gentle yet effective cleaning without scratching the glass. With a 4-meter power adapter extension, the aliexpress robot window cleaner is perfect for both interior and exterior window cleaning. Whether for high-rise apartments, stores, or bathroom glass, it offers a reliable and safe solution for keeping windows spotless with minimal effort.